This is an interesting slide, Turing test. You know what is Turing test? Turing test is the test for measuring the AI, okay, how intelligent your machine is. By this figure, you can understand on left side, one girl is communicating with right side. If she cannot recognize whether the answer is generating from a human or a machine, but the answer was generated by actually machine, then this machine can be said that this machine is passed the Turing test. Like if you'll call on a call center and someone is answering from that side, and if we cannot recognize whether he or she is a human being or machine, but if the answer was generating from a machine, then we can say that machine passed the Turing test. Okay, so Turing test is actually used for measuring the intelligence. Okay. Now, I would like to mention about 7 major areas of AI. So, AI is a very, very big umbrella. Here we are mentioning one is knowledge representation, understanding natural language. 3 is learning, planning and problem solving, inference, search and vision. Okay, so AI is mainly used for performing this kind of 7 tasks. Okay, or we can say these are the 7 major areas of AI. Now, you know, in searching, AI is playing very, very important role. Okay, but to make our searching result efficient, knowledge representation is very, very important. Knowledge representation means what? Like, you know, there are some people who can remember people's name very easily. There are some people who can make the calculation very easily, complex calculation very easily. There are some people who have photographic memory. Do you know what happened? They represent their knowledge in such a way. Okay, like for me, I cannot remember student's name, but I can remember their projects. If somebody came and says, "Sir, I have done this project in that course," I can recognize him or her very easily. But if someone says, "Sir, my name is Rafiq or Roman," I cannot recognize. But if someone says, "Sir, I have built this project in that class or that session or that thesis," it's very easy for me to recognize them. So my knowledge representation is giving the priority to the project, to the systems. Okay, but some other people, they're presenting the knowledge in different way. So knowledge representation is very interesting part of AI, so that we can search or we can retrieve the information very easily. Okay, so one major part is knowledge representation. If you can represent the knowledge very organized, in very organized way, then you can search very nicely. But searching itself is also a very important part of AI. You know, there are a number of types of search algorithm based on AI, A-star search, alpha, beta, simulation annealing, this kind of things. Okay, so a number of searching algorithms are there. Okay, so to finding some object, to reach in some goal, okay, or to find something, searching is another important part of AI. Understand the natural language. As I told you at the beginning of this lecture, like to understand some other people's language of some other countries, then we need to learn AI. Since we are highly ambiguous, okay, we human beings are highly ambiguous. Not only ambiguous, we also used a number of body language. Like if I'll say he, it means what is it? If I'll say he, it means what? Is not it? What are you saying? If we say ki khobor, ki, that means how are you? You see, we are using the same sounding, but meaning is different. So that's why AI is required for natural language processing. Okay. Then the learning. Okay, I'm coming back to the learning later. Planning and problem solving to reach in some goal. Okay, to reach in some goal, the shortest path or to carry something. That means to solve a problem, we need some AI algorithm. Okay, or AI can be used to solve some that kind of linear problem. Okay, and of course the vision, like to understand something, to find the road, to how to recognize someone's face. For doing these jobs, AI is mandatory. AI is very popular for vision, okay, or for image processing. But I think learning is the most important part of AI. Why we human beings are so intelligent? Why we are saying we are intelligent? Why? Or how we become intelligent? Because we are learning every day. You know, we came in the world without having any memory, without having any knowledge. But you know, a chicken, okay, it came with the knowledge how to break the shell of the egg, how to walk. You know, we are fighting to build a walking robot. But the chicken, it came with the knowledge how to walk. We human beings came with no knowledge, almost no knowledge. We just came with the knowledge how to cry, how to eat, and how to make the toilet. You see? But we are learning everything from the environment. That is the power of human being. Even those who are watching my lecture, you are watching to learn. So that is the main part of AI. Okay, if we can learn, or how we will learn, or what are the things we need to learn, that decision is very important. Like in the same class, the same teacher is teaching. Almost the same kinds of students are, or same aged students are in the same classroom. But someone is doing excellent, someone is just passing. It's not really strange. Same Khalil is teaching in the same environment, same way, same gesture I am using, the same material I am recommending you. But some student, they feel I need to learn, they are doing good. Some students feel this is not necessary for me. They are not doing good. Okay, so it's about interest. Okay, so we human beings are learning based on our interest. That's why one very knowledgeable guy, he says, not the meritorious, we need the interested people. Okay, yes, meritorious, if you have merit and if you have interest, that can be an excellent combination. But we need more industrious, more interested people than the brilliant guy, okay, brilliant student, to perform some job. Okay, so that's why learning is one of the most important part of AI. According to my understanding, or according to my standing, if a system don't have the learning, this system should not be called as AI system, because it's just a rule-based system, is not it? So if you don't learn anything, why we are intelligent? Why we don't say a cow is intelligent? The cow is just, it came with some directive. Whatever it is doing, the program is written inside its brain. A chicken, a fish, whatever it says, even even everything around us is doing just its own job. Only we human being, we have the learning ability, we have the power of choosing the learning. Like if you want to learn something, we can learn. If we don't want to learn anything, we cannot learn. That is our choice. I think that's why we will be asked in our hereafter. Okay? All other animals, all other things will not be asked, because they are programmed, highly programmed, and they are just executing their program. They cannot change their program. They cannot take any other decision. Okay, but we human beings, we can take different decision. Okay, we can learn whatever we want. We can de-learn whatever we want. Okay, so that is the most important part of AI, I think. Okay, so Does Bangladesh can build a robot? Bangladeshi students, Bangladeshi people, wherever they are going, whichever competition they attend, they are doing excellent. Okay, every year they are doing good in University Robot Challenge. Last year, Bracu team every year they are attending in Singapore underwater autonomous vehicle competition ship. So they are doing good everywhere. Yes, we can build a robot, and our robot is doing good. Okay. So here are some pictures of some competitions where students are attending.
Record.